In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Grok AI subscription status. Settings Guide 2026. We'll walk through a quick path inside Grok so you can confirm whether your subscription is active and where your plan details live. Let's start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're using a modern, up-to-date browser so all pages load correctly. If you can, sign into your Grok account. While it's possible to look around without logging in, signing in is the best way to make sure any settings or changes are saved to your profile and that you're viewing the correct account. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can complete the sign-in smoothly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. This is your main dashboard, and it means you're in the right place. Take a moment to confirm you're in the account you intend to check. Now look down to the lower left corner of the sidebar. You should see your profile icon there. It may appear as your avatar or just the first letter of your username. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device, this icon might be tucked behind a menu button, so expand the sidebar if needed. From the menu, choose Upgrade Plan. Don't worry, clicking this won't start a purchase automatically. It simply opens the subscriptions and billing area, which is exactly where your current plan information is stored and where upgrade options are displayed. Because Grok Access is connected to your X account in many regions, switch to the Premium tab on this page. That tab is where plan details are organized. Here you can review your current status and confirm whether Premium is active. You should also be able to see helpful information like your plan type and the next billing or renewal date. If you're evaluating whether you already have access to Grok's enhanced features, this section is the place to confirm it. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second or refresh. If you don't see the Premium tab, double check that you're signed in to the correct account and that you're using the same login associated with your X profile. On mobile, some options may be collapsed. If needed, switch to a desktop browser for a clearer layout. And if the upgrade plan page won't open at all, try clearing your cache or using a private window to rule out a temporary caching issue. That's it. You've gone from the Grok homepage to your account menu, opened the upgrade plan area, and viewed your status under the Premium tab. Keep this path in mind anytime you need to confirm your subscription or verify renewal details.